Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to build this simple Lego grill. Before the video truly starts, I have the daily Bible verse for today. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, NKJV. This verse reminds us that we can do all things with Christ. He strengthens us. Now into the video. Pieces needed: 2 Tukes 2 pieces, 2 1x2 grill pieces, 1 Tukes 2 3 ribbed piece, 4 Tukes 2 triangular wedge tile, and 2 Tukes 2 brackets. The review: this is the simple grill. You can put Lego hot dogs on it. This design is for more of an electric grill. There aren't any buttons on this grill, but my next grill will. I also like the tiles on the side on the grill and the grill color. Other than that, there isn't much, but here are some more pictures. God bless you guys. See you next time.